First, we need to get IR code. For this, we need a IR module. I have already made the IR module. Or you can take this image with the breadboard. Now connecting the Arduino to laptop with IR module. Now let's go for the code. This is IR code. After uploading the code, a serial monitor will be appeared over your desktop. When you press the button, the code will be appeared in the serial monitor accordingly. As you can see, the code is showing. Now upload code to ATtiny85. Before uploading the code ATtiny85, we need to upload Arduino ISP to Arduino board. Now compiling sketch. Now uploading. You need a Attiny shield to upload code to ATtiny85, or you can check this image with the breadboard. Now this is the code. You have to select the board Attiny and processor Attiny85, clock 8 MHz. Now click on Burn bootloader. One thing is that the code you get from the serial monitor, you have to paste over here. Now compiling this sketch. So compiling the code. Now uploading. Hopefully this video was informative. Please subscribe the channel.